We think it's fair to say that the price action in the crypto space has been depressing lately. For a start, not much appears to be going on. Last week, we suggested that Bitcoin would need to come back and retest its lows before determining future direction. I think it's fair to say that this is on the cards right now, and it feels as if the market is waiting for the next big macro driver, and we think it will come from Europe, which appears to be spiraling out of control on a daily basis. Let's start with the absurd. The Dutch government has ordered farmers to cut production to save the planet, and by this they mean stop cows from breaking wind. Now, the Netherlands is a major food production centre in Europe, and we're heading into a food crisis, so naturally, Dutch farmers have been expressing their opinions clearly. Next, we have the incredible, the collapse of Germany's trade surplus. Now, Germany has been the economic engine behind the Eurozone, and effectively the backstop underwriting the European debt market. And now its exports are collapsing, and that's with a falling euro. And last, we have the terrifying, the looming debt crisis with Italy now borrowing at the highest rates since the start of the previous Eurozone debt crisis. Now you're probably wondering what this has to do with Bitcoin. Well, let's break it down. If the Eurozone goes into crisis, the contagion effect will be global, and the ECB is likely to start aggressively buying bonds. The last time this happened, the Fed and other central banks around the world lent support, injecting liquidity into financial markets to prevent any contagion. And it's quite likely that this would happen once again. And if we've learned anything from the last couple of years, when the Fed adds liquidity, it sends risk assets higher.